In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Docs paper size. If you've ever opened a document and realized the pages don't match your printer's default, or you're collaborating with someone who uses a different standard like A4 instead of letter, this quick adjustment will save you time and prevent awkward page breaks. Start by launching Google Docs on your device. Give it a moment to load your recent files, then open the document you want to modify. You can pick it from your recent list, search for it, or browse your folders, whatever's fastest for you. Once your document is open, enter Edit mode by tapping the blue Edit icon, the little pencil in the bottom corner. This is important because certain layout options won't appear while you're just viewing the file. After you tap it, you'll see the editing toolbar and your cursor will be ready to type. Next, head to the More Options menu by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of the toolbar. This opens a panel with additional settings that aren't on the main bar. Scroll down that list until you find Page Setup, then tap it. Page Setup is where Google Docs keeps layout controls like margins, orientation, and, for today's task, the paper size. Inside Page Setup, tap Paper Size. You'll see a list of standard sizes you can use. Choose the one that matches your needs. For example, letter is common in the United States, A4 is widely used internationally, and legal gives you extra vertical room for longer forms. If you're preparing something that needs to fit a specific template or a regional standard, select that size here. Picking the correct option helps avoid unexpected page breaks or clipped margins when you print or share the file. After you've made your choice, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to apply your new dimensions. There's no separate Save button for this. Going back confirms the change. Your document will instantly reflow to the new size, so take a quick look at your first few pages. Headings, images, and tables may shift slightly to accommodate the new dimensions, which is normal. If anything looks off, you can make small tweaks like moving or resizing elements to fit neatly on the page. That's all there is to it. You launched Google Docs, opened your file, switched into edit mode, went to the three-dot menu, opened Page Setup, selected paper size, and applied the change. You can repeat these steps anytime you need to switch between standards, whether you're collaborating across regions or prepping for a specific printer. Thanks for watching and happy editing!